So it's my second day off today, and I fixed some things like my clothes. So this clothes, nilaban ko to siya kahapon, and then kahapon din I spent 5.5 hours in the Epic. So we do some chill, we drink some San Miguelite, and also we had some pizza. Then after that, after 5:30 in the afternoon, been there at Two Seasons, and also we had some pizza and a shake. So I had that, and then it was a great time to spend with some of my friends. And also today we had already our breakfast outside. Our plan, we're gonna be going for a walk, going for maybe some malls and buy other stuff, like important stuff. So I had already prepared all the things here. It's okay already. I also fixed some things on my bed. It looks like messy still, but yeah, that was it. Sad news, guys. Close ngayon yung Palawan. Look at that.
Palawan?
Sin banda ka ra?
Sige na niya.
Kahit kanyo, kaninya. Namin. Hello. Thank you po.
Hello, ma'am.
Para ako mama. Galing masyadong matamis, no? Ano na lang? Strawberry. Ito na lang. Isa. Isa lang. Tapos, yun lang anay ako na. Di mo dal.
Daya ka lang isa, maple choco, meron ka sweet nga, butter choco.
Huwag ka mo yan drinks, no?
Isang bayad na for separate.
Separate lang.
Kita makabakag drinks, dal.
Wait, naman siya. Pa-reply ka na. Buti ko din mataba. Kasa manin niya. Alam pa rin ka.
So here we are at the Robinsons, guys. So we bought some things for ourselves, and I'm gonna use restroom right now.